Want to make your Telegram account more secure? Today I'm going to show you step by step how to enable two-factor authentication in Telegram. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add an extra layer of defense to your messages, so even if someone guesses your password, your account stays safe and sound. Let's jump right in. To get started, open your Telegram app. In the top left corner, you'll see three horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Give that a tap to open up the side menu. Sometimes these icons look so small or unassuming you could miss them at a glance, but they're your gateway to all the app's settings. Once you see the menu, scroll down and look for where it says Settings. Tap there. Now inside Settings, we want to focus on security. Scroll down the options and find Privacy and Security. This is where you control who can see your information, who can contact you, and most importantly for today, where you manage your account's protection features. Go ahead and tap on Privacy and Security. Next, let's find the option for two-factor authentication. In Telegram, this is called two-step verification or sometimes just two-step verification, depending on your version. Tap on that. You might notice that apps give this feature slightly different names, but the goal is always the same: to make your account much harder for anyone else to access. Telegram will prompt you to set an additional password. This is where you're adding another lock on your door. Tap Set Additional Password and you'll be asked to create a password of your own. Take your time here, pick something strong and memorable, something not easily guessed. Think of it as the key to your virtual vault. Once you type it in, you'll need to confirm it on the next screen, just to make sure there are no typos that could trip you up later. Next, Telegram asks you for a hint and a recovery email. Now, the hint is useful if you ever blank out on your password. Keep it subtle. You don't want someone else to guess your password from your hint, but you do want it to jog your memory. And don't skip the email step. This part is crucial. If you ever forget your new password, Telegram will need your recovery email to help you get back in. Otherwise, you could end up locked out for good, and you don't want that. After entering your email, Telegram will send a verification code straight to your inbox. So pause a moment, check your email. Sometimes it arrives instantly, other times it may take a minute, so don't worry if it's not there right away. Once you see it, copy or memorize the code, head back to Telegram and paste or type it in to finish the process. And that's it. Your Telegram now has an extra wall of security around it. Even if someone manages to steal your password, they can't get into your account without this second step. You've just taken a big leap in protecting your messages and personal conversations. If this tutorial made your Telegram safer, hit the like button. It really helps out. If you ran into any issues or if you have questions about other Telegram features, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. And if you want more tips and step-by-step guides, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.